In other news, new versions of what could have happened moments before Orlando Pirates goalkeeper, former Orlando Pirates goalkeeper, I should say, Senzo Meyiwa was killed, came up in court yesterday. The state's third witness, that's Tumelo Madlala, faced cross-examination once again. Advocate Zandile Mshololo brought up statements from other people detailing what might have happened on that night that Meyiwa was killed back in 2014. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi was in court. He filed this report.
The deceased was shot whilst there was death struggling, whilst the deceased was holding the second person's hand and you were hitting the second person.
Yes. This is Tumelo Madlala's version of what was happening in the kitchen after the alleged intruders entered the house. He says behind them was Kelly Kumalo, her sister Zandi, and their mother assaulting the gun-wielding intruder with his crutches. While he didn't see who pulled the trigger, he speculated that it could have been the alleged intruder who was under attack from the three women. In another bid to discredit Madlala, the defense compares his version with that of the post-mortem report.
The doctor's findings are that the entry wound was in front of the chest of the deceased.
I
don't know anything about the entrance of this bullet and also the exit. I'm just learning about it right here.
If the doctor says the deceased sustained entry wound in front, whilst the deceased was facing the door, it means the person who fired shots would have been in front of the deceased, not at the back.
A statement read out in court from Kumalo's neighbor in Vosloorus detailed how she heard a loud commotion and some shoving that prompted her to peep through the window. Madlala told the court Senzo was wearing a white T-shirt on the day.
When he peeped through the window, he saw a person who was standing against the window wearing a T-shirt. It means Senzo, the deceased, was facing the in-house when the shot was fired.
I'm getting lost right there. Looking inside the house for how much duration or when that incident happened?
When he had the shots being fired.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Madlala is back on the stand for re-examination. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the Pretoria High Court.